Welcome back, thanks for clicking through, or welcome if you're new to this Pin the World challenge. This is the second video after the Semmelknödel, and we're going to make the meat. In particular, we're going to make a roast of pheasant, and we have here our pheasant, we have fillets, and we're going to make it like my grandma used to make it. The original version of this recipe is 2 birds, either ducks, geese or pheasants. Since we're only 2 people, I thinned it down to a few fillets. I have approximately 250 grams of pheasant, some butter for frying, an old apple. Mine is a survivor from a frostbite. It's just use one that you wouldn't eat raw otherwise. Half an onion, chopped. Approximately 20 grams of bacon, salt, pepper, bay leaf, juniper and cloves, 200 milliliters of broth, 100 milliliters of red wine for cooking, lemon juice for cooking, that's why I'm using not fresh one, and nutmeg. So if you are going to use a whole bird, you should start by using a form or tray that you can put into the oven, because you will be baking it in the oven. Since I'm only using fillets, I'm going to do it in the pan. So start by heating up the pan, melt some butter, approximately 1 tablespoon. Then add the bacon and the onions. Fry until the bacon is more or less crisp and the onions are soft. Ideally, instead of using butter, you should use fat. But since I'm not a big fan of fat, I'm going for the lighter version, which is butter. Next, we add our meat. We fry it a bit. Start reducing the heat. In my case, it takes a while because I don't have the best cooker in the world. It's time to add the wine. And yes, even when I was a child, my grandma used to use wine for cooking because she said that the taste was better. I wasn't that sure because I didn't like the taste when I was a kid, but yeah, that's how I grew up. Then we add the broth and the spices. Some lemon juice for the taste. Apples. Pepper. Some salt. Just randomly add some salt. You can always adjust the taste later. A bit of nutmeg. Go. Now we cover it with a lid and leave it for approximately 30 minutes until it's nice and soft. And here we have our finished product. Our pheasant is ready to be served with some delicious Semmelknödel. The link to the recipe is somewhere here. And I made a quick gravy served with it. Basically, I just filtered the sauce from the meat and added some starch to make it nice and thick. And yeah, that's basically a traditional Bavarian Sunday dish. Thanks again for joining me and for watching. Let me know in the description if you would like, or in the comments down below, if you would like to see more traditional German dishes. And see you again next time. Bye!